for her Medicaid, even though she really might not have qualified for it. She calls this entire experience frustrating.
I've called, I've gone in person, I've, done everything that I'm supposed to do.
Your wheel's catching on the battery.
I've built my life here based on these services that I've continued to receive, and now you cut them off in the middle of the year.
The judge has until early October to decide what will happen to Andrea. Meanwhile, she's left to navigate a complicated system on her own.
Without a caregiver, what are you giving up?
Freedom. Really what America is supposed to stand on.
We've been working on this story for months, and there's still a lot we don't know. For example, the state can't say how often cases like Andrea's happen because they say cases differ and often defy accurate comparison. We also don't know exactly how much the state paid out for her Medicaid benefits over the years. If it turns out the state should have never given her those benefits, she might have to pay that money back. The bill could add up to tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. We'll update this story as soon as the judge issues his ruling. Whitney Wild, WUSA 9.
Now, WUSA 9's first alert weather, rated DC's most accurate forecast.
All right, as promised, check out this projected storm surge. It's in feet, and notice on the west side here, right near Marco Island, we could see a storm surge in excess of 12 feet. Even up to Homestead and Miami, it's going to be, well, Miami's a little better. Homestead, we see some red, which is essentially 9 to 12 feet. Miami could see storm surge 3 to 6 feet. Problem is, a lot of Miami's only about 4 feet above sea level. So we're looking at a storm surge at least up to Miami. Perhaps a little further than that as the storm moves northward. But I guess good news, good news, bad news, it's moving across Cuba right now, but it somehow became a Category 5 anyway. In terms of the precipitation, it's gone away now, 10 inches across most of the peninsula of Florida. So in addition to storm surge and wind damage, can't forget about flooding. And can't forget about severe weather either. On the east side of that track, there'll be some severe weather. So here's what we know. Overnight, Saturday morning, Irma's going to hit Cuba as a Category 5. That will continue all night. Saturday morning, tropical storm force winds will make it all the way to South Florida by 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Saturday night, tropical storm force winds make it all the way to Port Lucie. Again, that's how big the storm is. Hurricane force winds into South Florida by about 6 a.m. on Sunday, and actually that may be closer to 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. And as far as we're concerned, metro area impact. Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms. Right now, we're not concerned with severe weather, and right now, we're not concerned with flooding either. Here's the track once again. Category 5, just kind of raking the north coast of Cuba. And then some good news. The latest 11 o'clock track has it remaining a Category 4 as it makes landfall. And we get into 8 o'clock Sunday night. It's well past Miami, headed for Tampa. And I think the only error here is I don't think it's going to be a Category 4 as of 9 o'clock on Monday. I think they're making it too strong, too long, and then it goes into Georgia and then dies out into Tennessee, and that is a good thing for us. Now, I did find one track that was similar, Donna, back in 1960. Similar track. It made that right turn, but this storm went up the coast. This storm will not go up the coast. It will continue to go into Georgia and also into Florida. But it went essentially over Cape Coral and then turned northeast over Daytona Beach and then went back out in the Atlantic. Okay, 3-degree guarantee. We did it today. Not quite a bullseye, though. We went for a high of 76, and it was 77. We're going to go for a high of 73 for tomorrow. So next 3 days go like this. Gorgeous on Saturday, 73. Perfect for the Terps, 75 on Sunday. Perfect as we kick off our season at FedEx. And then 80 on Monday, some high clouds, warmer. That's because Irma's going to bring up some warmer air. And then next 7 days, yeah, we could see some thunderstorms here on Tuesday, but I don't see any real problems. Some could bleed into Wednesday, and then Thursday maybe a sprinkle. But all in all, not so bad considering what is going on down there. And boy, it felt like football weather, didn't it? I mean, it was almost cold out there, Frank.
You said sweaters tonight, right?
Yes,
For high school football. Hey, big showdown in Silver Spring. Blair taking on Quince Orchard. Got the highlights next in sports.
Instead of wondering what they'll eat, some kids in our area wonder if they'll eat. WUSA 9 couldn't just report on hunger. We had to do something about it. You can help. Impact feeding our children. September 14th on WUSA 9.
Do you want to do mine?